All right, listen up. Today is the day you stop procrastinating and start taking action. Look, I know it's easy to get stuck in the trap of overthinking, analyzing, and waiting for the perfect moment. But let me tell you something. That perfect moment may never come. The time to act is now. Every great achievement, every remarkable success begins with a single step. It's not about making huge leaps all at once. It's about taking consistent, determined action every single day. Think about it. Rome wasn't built in a day, but it was built brick by brick, with unwavering determination. You have dreams, goals, aspirations burning inside you, and guess what? They're not going to achieve themselves. You have the power within you to turn those dreams into reality, but it all starts with taking that first step, then the next, and the next after that. Sure, you might stumble along the way, you might face obstacles, challenges, setbacks. But let me tell you something about setbacks. They are not permanent unless you allow them to be. Every failure is a lesson, every setback is an opportunity to grow stronger, to learn, to adapt, and to come back even more resilient than before. So, what are you waiting for? Get up, get out there, and start making things happen. Don't let fear hold you back. Don't let doubt cloud your judgment. Believe in yourself, believe in your abilities, and believe that you have what it takes to conquer whatever stands in your way. Remember, the only limits that exist are the ones you place upon yourself. So break free from those self-imposed limitations, unleash your full potential, and seize the opportunities that lie before you. This is your time, your moment, your chance to shine. So go out there and make it happen. The world is waiting for you to take action and make your mark.